Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cancel order on a Temu. So first things first, come to the Temu website, or you can use the app on your phone. So if you're on the website, what you're going to be doing guys is you will want to sign in first. If you're already signed in, come here at the top right, click on your orders and account. Okay, click on this, and then click on OK. So this option is going to come up. Okay, this page. So what we're going to be doing now, guys, to cancel our orders is we want to come over to our orders right here, and it will show you what orders you currently have. Okay, so what you want to be doing, guys, is you want to choose the order you want to cancel, and then you want to either click cancel or other help, and you want to follow the instructions on the screen here and select I want to cancel the items. So if you want to cancel all the items, you just have to click, select all, and or you can just scroll to the bottom of the page and then click on cancel checked items. So basically what's going to happen, guys, is you will get a refund confirmation in your inbox. So I'm going to just mention one thing for you guys. If your order is actually packed, okay, unfortunately they will not be able to cancel your order. However, look guys, almost all of the items are returnable within 90 days of purchase. So you just want to wait for your order to arrive and then request a refund. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. If it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, and I'll see you guys in the